Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tonneau covers for the Nissan Frontier that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for durability, ease of installation, or weather protection, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the jdmspeed new Fleetside soft vinyl roll-up tonneau cover. This cover is specifically designed for Nissan Frontier models from 2005 to 2020 with a 5-foot bed. While it's a basic roll-up cover, it stands out for its simplicity and lightweight design. The soft vinyl material is easy to handle, and the roll-up mechanism ensures convenient access to your truck bed. In terms of build quality, the jdmspeed uses a soft vinyl top that's weather-resistant but lacks the heavy-duty durability of more premium options. It's not the strongest in the lineup, but if you're looking for a lightweight and easily removable cover to protect your truck bed from casual elements like rain and dust, it does the job. Installation is straightforward with included clamps, requiring no drilling or complex tools. The jdmspeed is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who need a no-frills solution for occasional use. That said, the lack of reinforced aluminum rails or tensioning systems means it might struggle in harsher conditions like heavy snow or wind. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, but on the downside, it's less durable compared to other covers on this list. Overall, it's a great choice for light-duty users who prioritize convenience over heavy-duty performance. At number 4, we have the Autobull soft trifold tonneau cover, which is compatible with Nissan Frontier models from 2005 to 2025. This cover features a trifold design, making it easy to open and close in seconds. It's equipped with a curved support bar to ensure the cover remains taut and prevents sagging, even in harsh weather conditions. The Autobull is constructed from marine-grade vinyl, with an alloy steel structure underneath, giving it solid durability and excellent weather resistance. The no-drill installation process is another highlight, as you can have this cover up and running in no time. It's a great option for users who want a balance between durability and ease of use. However, despite its sturdy design, the Autobull falls short in some areas. While the curved support bar is useful, it doesn't provide the same level of structural integrity as heavier options with aluminum rails. Additionally, its 4.3-star rating suggests some room for improvement in quality control. Overall, this cover is a solid mid-range option for buyers seeking a reliable and easy-to-use tonneau cover for everyday protection. Coming in at number 3 is the Nilight soft trifold truck bed tonneau cover, designed for Nissan Frontier models from 2005 to 2025. This cover combines a durable aluminum framework with double-layer PVC for excellent weather resistance and long-lasting performance. It's a trifold design, making it easy to access your cargo while keeping it secure when closed. The Nilight cover excels in all-around protection, shielding your cargo from rain, snow, and other elements. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the no-drill clamps that securely fasten the cover to your truck bed. It also includes a manual and all necessary accessories for quick setup. The Nilight is a great choice for those who prioritize convenience without compromising on durability. On the downside, it's slightly heavier than other trifold covers, which might make handling a bit challenging for a single person. Additionally, its 4.6-star rating is strong, but indicates there's minor room for improvement. Overall, this cover offers excellent value for its price, making it a great option for frequent travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable cargo protection. At number 2, we have the X-Tweaks soft trifold truck bed tonneau cover, designed for Nissan Frontier models with a 6.1-foot bed. This cover features high-quality materials, including a double-layer PVC top, aluminum frames, and stainless steel clamps, ensuring durability and stability. It's also waterproof, UV-resistant, and dust-proof, offering excellent all-around protection for your cargo. The X-Tweaks is built for safety and functionality, featuring a latching system to prevent sliding and double waterproof strips to keep out the elements. The no-drill installation process is straightforward, and the included instructions make setup a hassle-free experience. With a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that customers appreciate its performance and reliability. However, this cover is only compatible with trucks that don't have utility tracks, so make sure your vehicle matches the specifications. Also, while the materials are durable, it's slightly pricier than other options in its class. With its combination of quality and advanced weatherproofing, the X-Tweaks is ideal for anyone who frequently uses their truck in extreme weather or rugged conditions. Finally, at number 1, we have the Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, which is compatible with Nissan Frontier models from 2022 to 2025. This U.S. patented cover is made from 24-ounce heavy-duty marine-grade vinyl, with built-in horizontal crossbars for extra support. It also features aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps for superior durability. The Tyger Auto T1 stands out for its innovative design and user-friendly features. It seals with Velcro strips on the sides and secures with a latch lock system at the tailgate, ensuring your cargo stays safe and dry. The tension system allows you to keep the cover tight and wrinkle-free in all weather conditions. Installation is a breeze, with no drilling required for most setups. While it's slightly more expensive than some competitors, the Tyger Auto T1 justifies its cost with premium materials, excellent build quality, and a limited lifetime warranty. It has a stellar 4.7-star rating and is ranked number 129 in truck tonneau covers on Amazon, making it a customer favorite. This cover is perfect for anyone looking for a high-quality, versatile, and durable tonneau cover for their Nissan Frontier. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.